Right, here we have our pollen filter now. It just fits in just like that, yeah? So we're going to put that corner in, because it seems the easiest. Then just press it in, and that's your pollen filter ready, yeah? Get that out of the way. Locate that back in there. Hang on. On the bottom here is where it's got to be located. Yeah. So we try again. And that's in there. We can feel it because it's not moving. Once we got that, like that. Flick it over. Flick it over. Underneath it goes. 1, 2, and 3. And all we've got to do now, stick that cable back onto there. And that's it, job done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to top up my parasteering fluid, I'm going to tighten that up, and I'm going to lock those off. Yeah? And I'm going to replace my fuel filter.